Behind. Corner.
I write your pictures, I want your cause. I think you know it, but you ain't letting on. You like to play dumb, you like to stall. You can't forget me.
What can I make from these ingredients?
I just wanna know.
Hands! Google just dropped a smorgasbord of new Pixels that are sure to blow your mind. We've got 4 brand spanking new Pixel 9 smartphones, including the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. We also have the Pixel Watch 3, now available in 2 different sizes, so you can find your perfect fit. And the Pixel Buds Pro 2 are here to take your audio experience to the next level. All of these incredible Pixel products are coming to Verizon, and I'm here to tell you why they're totally awesome. Say hi to AI with Gemini, Google's super smart AI assistant, which is baked into the DNA of the Pixel 9 family. Stuck on dinner ideas? Snap a pic of what's inside your refrigerator, and Gemini will whip up some recipes based on what it sees. Have you ever felt left out when you were taking a group photo? In Google Photos, the new Add Me function lets you insert yourself into group shots. Just snap your photo and hand the phone off to your friend or family member to take a shot of you in the same setting. Photo tools have also gotten smarter with Magic Editor. Swap or enhance backgrounds to make every photo worth sharing. With the redesigned Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you get the massive screen size to match the performance of Google Gemini. I recently used Gemini to plan an awesome trip to northern Greece. It helped me find hotels, restaurants, and fun activities to do with my family. The 8-inch display and split screen feature are total game changers. I can plan my itinerary on one side of the screen while booking flights on the other side. It makes everything so much easier and faster. I'm just scratching the surface of what you can do with Google Gemini. It's constantly improving, and Verizon 5G is the network to power your AI experience. Check out the entire new family of Pixels at Verizon today and visit Verizon.com to order yours.